Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate potassium deficit and replacement. First, let's understand what a potassium deficit means. Normal serum potassium levels are typically between 3.5 and 5.0 mEq per liter. When levels drop below 3.5 mEq per liter, it's called hypokalemia. A decrease of just 1 mEq per liter in serum potassium can indicate a significant total body deficit, often ranging from 200 to 400 mEq. This foundational understanding is crucial for effective treatment. Now, let's dive into the calculation. To estimate the potassium deficit, use the formula. Desired K minus actual K multiplied by the patient's weight in kilograms, then multiplied by 0.4. The 0.4 factor accounts for the approximate distribution volume of potassium in the body. For example, a 70-kilogram patient with a serum potassium of 2.5 mEq per liter, aiming for 3.5 mEq per liter, would have an estimated deficit of 280 mEq. This formula provides a good starting point. Once the deficit is calculated, we need to consider replacement strategies. For mild to moderate deficits, oral potassium supplementation is generally preferred due to its safety and ease of administration. However, for severe hypokalemia, or if the patient cannot tolerate oral intake, intravenous replacement becomes necessary. When administering Roman IV potassium, it's crucial to adhere to safety guidelines. Infusion rates should typically not exceed 10 to 20 mEq per hour through a peripheral line to prevent complications. Always monitor the patient closely. Effective potassium replacement requires careful monitoring. Continuous cardiac monitoring is absolutely essential, especially during intravenous potassium infusions, to detect any adverse effects. Regular rechecking of serum potassium levels is also vital to assess the effectiveness of the replacement therapy and to guide any necessary adjustments to the dosage. Always prioritize patient safety and adjust treatment based on their response. Also, if you're looking for a great way to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.